In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track employee hours in Gusto. To get started, go ahead and sign into your Gusto account. Make sure you're using the correct login for your business so you can access your payroll and time tracking tools without any issues. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can navigate to the area that shows employee time information. From there, click on Time and Attendance and then select Time Tracking. This section is where Gusto organizes employee hour data, making it easier to review time entries during a pay period. If you're managing payroll or checking timesheets before processing pay, this is the area you'll be using most often. Next, open the current pay period by clicking Review next to the active pay period. This will bring up the time records associated with that payroll window. It's important to make sure you're looking at the correct pay period, especially if your company runs payroll weekly, bi-weekly, or on another schedule. Reviewing the right period helps you avoid confusion and ensures the hours you see match the time frame you want to check. Once that page opens, review the hours recorded for each employee. You'll be able to see the time that has been tracked and submitted for the selected pay period. This gives you a quick overview of everyone's hours in one place, which is useful for spotting missing entries, checking totals, or confirming that everything looks accurate before moving forward. If you need to find one person in particular, use the search box to look up a specific employee. This can save time, especially if you have a larger team and don't want to scroll through the full list. Simply type in the employee's name, and Gusto will narrow the results so you can focus on that individual record. After finding the employee you want, review their tracked hours for the selected pay period. Take a moment to look through the recorded time carefully so you can confirm the hours are correct. This is especially helpful if you're verifying attendance, preparing payroll, or resolving a question about log time. Finally, click Generate Report to view employee hours in report format. This can help you get a clearer summary of tracked hours and makes it easier to review information in a more organized way when needed. And that's how to track employee hours in Gusto. Thanks for watching.